I reached out recently to a company called One Mini Byte. They're based out of Taiwan, and what they do is kind of cool. They have a body kit for one for the F66, which caught my attention, so I thought I'd chat with them about it, and it turns out they're now going to offer the parts for the body kit as individual pieces, so you can really make your F66 JCW look even cooler. But the other thing that caught my attention was the aluminum gas cap that they had, and I just had to have one. So they sent me the gas cap, and we're going to install it today. So for starters, you want to make sure you disconnect this from your fuel filler door, and then you just remove your stock gas cap. Install the new one. And just so you know, it does use OEM components as part of its assembly process, so you're going to have a gas cap that's going to work perfectly. Then you just take the little lead and clip it back into place, and you are done. Now, just so you all know, the gas cap on your Mini is not locking. None of them are. What is locking is your fuel filler door. Now, sometimes the tether can get in the way of the fuel door locking, but what you want to do to lock it is make sure this is not in the way, close your door, and then lock your car, and it won't open. Unlock your car, and there you have it. And this is just a really nice gas cap. I really love it. And I want to thank again Henry over at One Mini Byte for sending this to me. And if you would like one of these, I'll put a link in the description below for the video. But thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.